tried more productivity tools than I can count, but Notion is the one I kept coming back to, mostly because it feels less like an app and more like a blank canvas for my brain. The real question is, does all that flexibility actually make you more productive, or just give you another place to procrastinate? Here's my first-hand take. Notion excels at bridging ideas with execution. You can start with a blank page, drag in blocks, text, tables, boards, embeds, videos, and instantly have a structured workspace. Databases are where it shines. You build a table, add properties like tags, status, dates, and then view it as a table, Kanban board, calendar, list, or gallery with a click. It feels more like crafting your own productivity app than learning a new platform. Collaboration fits naturally. I can comment inline, assign tasks by mentioning a team member, or share a page with granular permissions. The new AI supercharges content workflows, summarizing pages, generating task lists from bullet points, even writing blog drafts when inspiration runs low. Notion's pricing model is straightforward. Individuals get full access, personal templates, and unlimited storage on the free plan, compelling for individual creators. Notion's pricing model is straightforward. Individuals get full access, personal templates, and unlimited storage on the free plan, compelling for individual creators. The Plus plan, around $10 per month, adds unlimited file uploads and version history. Teams plan, about $20 per month, unlocks advanced permissions, admin tools, and priority support. Educational and nonprofit discounts are significant, often making Notion free or highly affordable. As a collaborative space, it fits everything from solo authors to small agencies who want structure without bloat. First, there's near limitless customization. Build a CRM, tracking board, lesson planner, even a storefront, all within the same interface. Startups value Notion for how fast it lets you launch a structured company wiki or product roadmap without a dev team. The mobile app supports editing, comments, and wiki browsing robustly enough to manage documentation on the go. The template library is rich, with contributions from trusted creators and Notion-certified pros that save hours of setup time. But there are some catches. Performance drops in massive workspaces, slow loading pages, or lag on mobile become more noticeable with bulky databases or embedded files. The high customization comes at the cost of predictability. It takes discipline to avoid turning your team space into a maze of nested pages. Because it's not built for deep automation, complex workflows must be built manually or pushed to Zapier, which breaks the no-code ideal. And while AI is growing, it's still mostly good for brainstorming and drafting. It's not a replacement for strategic clarity or critical thinking. Notion remains one of the most powerful all-in-one workspaces out there, especially if you love crafting systems that fit exactly how you work. It excels as a blank canvas turned productivity engine, and with AI and collaboration tools, it keeps getting smarter. But if you need mission-critical reliability, high-speed performance on huge datasets, or ready-made structure especially for active workflows, you'll need strong team discipline or a complementary app to fill gaps. So here's my headline. Notion is intuitive, wildly flexible workspace magic, but its strength comes with responsibility. If this review helped you, tap like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What system are you trying to build next? Let's explore how Notion or another workspace might fit the bill.